Well, if you watched my skill early video this morning, $99 for a brushless oscillating tool, Bluetooth speaker, and a drill for $99 with 2 batteries. I have to say, I'm a little surprised at the price of this. It's an oscillating tool, right? I mean, DeWalt's 20 volt XR was $99 with a battery and a charger during Christmas. We've seen some pretty good deals on the Atomic 20 volt oscillating tool. $219. Now, is this a special kit because it comes with some attachments? I don't know. I know my DeWalt came with a couple blades there, but I believe this is a 4 amp hour battery as well. Yeah. You can pre-order it. It's going to ship out September 23rd. Yeah, so if you guys are interested, this is the price. I don't know. I'm a little shocked, so that's why it's a it's pretty steep. 219. Again, their installation driver with 4 attachments, I think was 229. With I think it comes with 2 batteries. Their fuel right angle die grinder, I don't know. Oscillating tools are pretty, there's nothing crazy about them. Maybe this is a misprint here, but if not, again, it could be a special kit, or it could be just the kit that they're selling, or this is going to be the major kit here. But it's, it comes with some sanding pads here. So I still don't know why it's that much. $219. That's the first thing I looked at. A couple people were like, yeah, man, whoa, September 23rd, it's not shipping to. I'm like, that's what you're worried about? It's $219 for a 12 volt oscillating tool. Yeah, so for the people who have waited for this, and they're kind of maybe outraged over the price, $99, and you get 3 tools and 2 batteries. But obviously there's some better options out there. Again, a lot of you guys are in different platforms. You're not just in Milwaukee's. You're in DeWalt, maybe Makita's. So even Bosch's. And Bosch has a brushless oscillating tool as well. I'm sorry about this, guys. My friend from high school just passed away, so we're getting a lot of the stuff is coming through here. Anyway, yeah, $219, guys, for those who are interested. Let me jump out of here. Peace.